What up, Kyle? My fucking power went out and it's dark as shit in here. Like, look at this, you can't even see shit. I have a little nightlight right here. If I turn this bitch off, you won't be able to see nothing. Mother Nature decided to be a son of a bitch and turn my power off. I hope she burns in hell. So, yeah. I try to call my cousin Isaac, but he won't fucking answer. So, I'm just sitting here like a goddamn goose, trying to wait for this power to come back on and trying to hope for the best. That's it. See ya.